Hi, my name is Emma. I'm a French and English teacher. I also teach Spanish. I essentially give online courses on Skype, Google Hangouts, and after each session, you're going to get a free personalized recording. You're going to hear my own voice. I do everything by hand, manually, because I care about the quality of my courses. And the material is free. And if you have any questions during the week, you don't have any excuse. You have a free recording personalized to you, and it can help you to study. And if you have any questions during the week, I'm always available. So you can take French, English, and Spanish classes from the comfort of your home or your office. And with me, I'm highly organized. I'm highly efficient. I'm using different methods because everyone is different and we all have different learning abilities. And so if you're interested in my courses, I always give a free demonstration. And if you have any questions concerning my rates and everything, please contact me here. You take care. Have a nice day. Au revoir et à bientôt. Ciao. Adios.